Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for a mini screen mode shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to change placement of it, hold it and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. If you wish to resize it as well, click on this icon with a square and two arrows located at the top left or right corner. Then hold one of those dots and drag it. Sorry, misclick. In order to close one-handed mode, click on this X on the top left or right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!